Dang.
Interesting. It's a pole station. It's actually a fire truck. Like right here.
Holy shit.
This shit, bro. I'm not sure if this is a drill or not. I think it might be because, I don't know. I feel like that was a really quick response if they got here in like a minute, but either way, I'm gonna go eat dinner now. Back inside now, we turned off the alarm. Not entirely sure what the cause was. I can't be too sure. It did say pole station. I think it might have been a drill because the fire department was here almost instantaneously, and also on the graphic display it said the pole station was like right next to the front door, so maybe they just pulled it and then got everyone out and then turned it off really quick. Not entirely sure. Maybe someone pulled it for part two. It is a college bill, so people do that. Oh, there's my roommate. Let's say hi. But yeah. Hi. Okay. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Farewell.